My Dieffenbachia is finally getting a new pot and fresh soil, and look how beautiful this pot is. In this video I'll show you how I repot it, check the roots, prepare a fresh soil mix and make the plant more stable and balanced. Hi, I'm Olga, and this channel is about real-life plant care in an ordinary home. For this repotting I will need gloves, potting soil, perlite, cactus soil, a scoop and a new pot. The first step is removing the plant from its pot. In this case, I want to remove most of the old soil instead of simply moving the entire root ball into a larger pot. Now I can check the roots. Everything looks healthy. The roots are light in color, firm, and there is no signs of rot. I gently loosen and remove the old soil without pulling too hard or damaging the roots more than necessary. I also remove a few old leaves that the plant no longer needs. The second step is preparing the soil. Portugal, where I live, can be quite humid, and Dieffenbachia doesn't like sitting in wet soil, so I'm making a light, airy mix. I combine regular potting soil with perlite for extra aeration and some cactus soil to help the mix drain faster. Then I gently mix everything together. The third step is placing the plant into the new pot. First, I add some soil to the bottom. I place the plant in the center of the pot. I don't add stones to the bottom. I've tried it for years and, to be honest, never noticed any real benefit. A drainage hole and loose soil seem much more important to me. Do you add a drainage layer to your pots? Let me know in the comments. Then I add soil evenly around the sides. I gently press it down with my hands, just enough to hold the plant in a place without compacting the mix too much. I wanted to sit slightly deeper than before because some of the upper roots had become exposed. This should also make the plant more stable. Because repotting disturbs the roots, the plant's ability to absorb water is temporarily reduced. So I water very lightly, just enough to settle the soil. And here is the final result. Look how beautiful it is. I think the plant looks much more balanced in this pot, and the fresh soil and extra space should give it a better chance to grow larger, healthier leaves.